Okay, so maybe today is not the day that I should probably be filming this, but here I am. Here I am. So if you watched my Slay Glam Box unboxing, I warned y'all, I'm sassy, I've been going through it, and now I'm dealing with the stomach flare-up, so welcome to the channel, hot mess. First word, hi, welcome. My name's Rhonda, and I'm really holding on by, what do they say, the chin of my hair of my chin. Let's just say Mercury's in retrograde and I'm ready to knock its lights out like something else. So anyways, today I am unboxing my Boxy by Ipsy. And I know it's not Boxy or Ipsy's fault, it is USPS. But it's annoying. So anyways, hey, welcome to Sassy Pants. Okay, they are engaged. It is a Monday. My stomach is hurting like a mother trucker, and my weekend has been insane. This is my paid for box. Did it arrive just like this? No, it was more like, hold on, let me show you exactly what it looked like when I got to it. My Temu box, completely intact. Completely intact. My Boxy box, just like that. Did I go through it? No. But did I like obviously go like this and pretty much like glaze over it with my eyeballs and see that I think things are missing? I did. I'm so annoyed because you can see that there is a seal. There is a seal on there, but someone decided to break it. We're doing this again, so that's where I'm at. So yes. Whoever wants to be sassy in the comment section, I know you there, okay? Just go ahead and say at what point I start unboxing. Anyhow, we can't always be a little glitter and rainbow kind of girl, and today she is not, but my eyeballs are. You like that? It's the Saints, Angels, and Sinners palettes. They sent over 3 of them, and I finally got a chance to play with them because Mama was just trying to de-stress, and I came up with this look and I really like it. If you want to see the colors I use, it's over on my Instagram. Huge shout out and thank you to my YouTube members. You don't have to help support the channel, but you choose to, and I appreciate each and every single one of y'all. Thanks to the, I'm gonna call y'all my thanks crew. There is a thanks button on here somewhere down there that you all found, and sometimes you guys click it and give your girl a little something something. Please don't ever feel obligated to do that. I never ask for a dime. I just like to sit and talk with y'all. Today is the sassy one, so grab your tea, grab your coffee, grab a really strong beverage, and let's unbox this. So I paid about $32 after tax for my Ipsy by Boxy. So they did change the fact that it looks like there's no card anymore. I did get to customize a couple of the items in here. Well, let's talk about it. Was I excited over my picks? I was not. I was not excited over my picks. I think what it is they choose 3 out of the 5 items for us based off of your quiz and, you know, profile, whatever you want to call it, and then they give you an option of other things. Now in theory it sounds really exciting to get to make multiple choices of the items. Typically we only got to customize 1 when Boxy was Boxy, but the choices that I personally got, I'm like, I need to go in and mess with my profile a little bit because I was not excited about anything. So some great subscription, you know and love, now with more perks than ever. And oh, okay, so I'm still learning how the whole power picks and plays work. May 2nd is when you do get to start making picks again for Boxycharm. You guys will see this video after the fact. I will say the power picks pretty much take your Boxycharm base box and bump it to a premium box. So again, I'm still learning, y'all. I know you guys are like, Rhonda, where's your Boxycharm videos? And I'm like, I'm still trying to figure out what the freak is going on here, y'all. It's too much. I'm not good with change. So anywho, they do still have like the Boxy add-on type of dealio, drop shop stuff. Those kind of stuff, those kind of things are still going to be available. So anywho, little newspaper, she cute. So let's jump in. Yeah, I do have something missing. All right, so I'll have to go in and check what exactly it was. I'm pretty sure it was one of my picks. So the first item, this was something that Ipsy chose, or Boxy chose, and this is a Detox Dry Shampoo by Dry Bar. This I will say I actually do like. I've used in the past, and I did enjoy it. I did like the scent. The scent, from what I can recall, was kind of like strong, I thought. I can't remember. Hold on. Ooh. Ooh. It's a nice clean scent. It kind of smells like my man's armpits. I like it. Okay. I just washed my hair last night, so we need a couple extra days because it is a whole nother trucking process. I haven't even curled it. There's a kink in it. Welcome to the Hot Mess Express. So, anywho, I was actually pleased that they picked that. Next in here, this was one of my picks, the 4 Chics Eyelash Enhancing Serum. I don't know the prices of anything because it's not in the box anymore, but I did receive, I think they were mascara and the serum before, and I actually did like it, so I went ahead and chose this because I wasn't thrilled with the other items that I had the opportunity to pick, to be honest with y'all. Next in here, this was another one that I did get to pick. Yeah, I do have an item missing. This is the Gloss Bomb Heat and Lemon Lava by Fenty Beauty. Now I know they had like a little 6-pan palette choice, and I didn't end up choosing that because the choice that I had, oh, that smells good. I didn't like the shades. Okay, this isn't that bad. I mean, it's just a hint of yellow. I just get paranoid with any type of warm undertone type of stuff on my lips. I'm like, okay, I know I drink a lot of coffee, but I really don't want to accentuate it. I do like the way it smells though. I am curious, like this was their only padding in the box. So if I were to have gotten that Fenty eyeshadow palette, like would it have made it? Just out of curiosity. Because normally we have that foam padding or like a really sturdy dunnage. And then the last item in here is my Mud Masky Moisture Boost Vitamin Boost Feeding Nourishing Firming. This is an eye serum. I love that to tell you guys it's an eye serum. So that again was an Ipsy choice. So the other thing that I'm missing, let me see if I can find it. Okay, I can't get on it with my phone. Why? Oh, let me just tell you, because I'm really good at making passwords and forgetting them. And that's where I'm at today. So I think my computer has it saved, and on my phone is my Ipsy account, and I don't want to like log out of that account into my Boxy because then it's just a whole situation. So anywho, for the items that I did receive, am I happy with spending $32 on them? Nope. I'm really not. And I honestly, like, I know I'm kind of going through it and I'm really in a ick flip kind of mood. I really expected more. And I mean, here's the thing. It's no longer a surprise. They'll show you like, hey, here's what we picked for you, and I'm like, oh, that's kind of a bummer because like the excitement's gone. So it's like I have to no longer wait 3 weeks to complain. I get to complain right there on the spot. So you know, there's that. But I don't know, I'm definitely curious, to those of you who did go ahead and choose the Fenty palette, how'd that work out with this? How'd that work out? Because when I do giveaways, I wrap that mother trucker. Like if there's palettes in there, like I will wrap it a couple times, not only in the bubble wrap, but then in like a bubble wrap mailer before I even put it into like another bubble wrap mailer. You know what I mean? And this just got apparently shook it and shit up so freaking much that it ripped itself apart and something came out. So somebody's happy with something. So I don't know. I'm very disappointed in you, Ipsy, on this one. So let's work on that. I don't know. I might be nicer tomorrow, you never know. So anywho, let me know y'all's thoughts down below. Were you disappointed in yours? I know that I spoke to some of you guys in the DMs over on Instagram, and you guys were shocked at some of your choices. And honestly, some of your choices that you had were not even choices that I got. So I thought that's kind of interesting. So I'm definitely going to go in and kind of finagle with my profile thing a little bit, because I'm not paying I'm not gonna lie to y'all, with tax, almost $32 for this. I'll just, no thank you, not today. So anywho, wow, should I probably stop filming the rest of the day? I probably should, but you know what, it's real, it's real life, and this is your girl going through it. Anywho, I'm gonna hop off for now. Let me know in the comment section down below your thoughts on this box. Was it worth to y'all 30 some dollars? And it very well could have been. It literally could just be my snippy, snotty, poopy attitude that I'm doing right now, that I'm just not being very nice, and that's okay. We all have those days. So anywho, let me know down below, and of course thank you once again to my YouTube members for everything that you all do. I appreciate you all so much. Thank you to the thanks crew that have been doing the thanks thing. You guys are just too good to me, and I appreciate it. And now I feel really crappy about putting these videos up. I'm really sorry. Okay, well, I'm gonna hop off now, maybe go drink some coffee. Until next time, friends, don't forget I have a couple other channels: Hotmess in the Kitchen, Hotmess Momma Vlogs, and of course I'm on Instagram and on TikTok at hotmessmomma04. Until next time, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.